Hello friends, today we will see practical number 7. Prepare a report of specification of various electrical welding machines available in college workshop. These are sample specification, type of welding machine, power voltage, frequency, rated input current. These are all technical parameters, their name and their rating are given here. Then write actual procedure, their precautions, and what is the name of resources. Then write observation and calculation, their result and interpretation of result and their conclusion. उसके बाद दोस्तों प्रैक्टिकल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है 3 एंड देन उसके आंसर. दैट्स ऑल.